Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the 4-hour time frame is that we have possible ascending triangle pattern in creation. Basically we got a higher lows and basically matching highs. Which is basically bullish form and bullish pattern, but we need a confirmation of this and the breakout to the upside. I would like to see the euro to trade above 1.064042 to clear this multi-lows, which can act like resistance, and of course multi-swing highs here. So this will be a critical area and zone. I can put with a rectangle so you can see even much easier, right? So if we clear this area, go above, let's say 640, we have a good chance of the market to revisit the top of this box or this consolidation on the left side, which is set at 1.0775. So again, watch potential breakout to the upside in order to confirm this potential structure and this breakout. Speaking of the gold market, nothing changed since our last update and forecast. Basically, market is still in consolidation. We're building triangle. There is no bigger money flow involved in the gold. I think overall it's just intraday and very short-term money flow. So this, if you even go to the daily time frame, you will see the same thing. Multi-day balance this week also very balanced. Last week also very balanced. It's an overall one big balanced regime. I would like to see the breakout either to the downside. So let me just place levels here. If the gold can clear 1817, then we can open the door for a potential test of 1805 or even this pin bar territory around 1790. From other side, if the market will take the pin bar high and start to clear this trend line, then we can open the door for higher prices and eventual move towards 1857 or area around 1870. So watch for the breakout since the gold is in contraction. Speaking of the crude oil, it seems like we had a markup phase. We have a breakout. I alerted you about this yesterday. We had a breakout to this contraction. The daily time frame, let me also go to the weekly to show you more clear. Weekly time frame looks still bullish. There is a rising 20-week moving average which served like a nice support in April, right? And it's serving also like nice support here. Daily time frame, we had inside day and a breakout to the upside, and that's also what we can see on the 4-hour time frame, this contraction triangle and the breakout. And since the market is basically in the breakout mode, there is a chance that we can try to retest all the way up at 123.40 mark or this swing high that we 118.80. So still watch for buying opportunities in intraday dips because there is this breakout that I alerted you yesterday, this upside breakout, this contraction. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, let me go to the daily time frame just to show you, zoom in this for you. We had a breakout, but the close wasn't that great. The close, and it's closed in the lower part, but today we have no follow through. So far we have no follow through. So even though there was a breakout, this 3-day balance, yesterday we didn't close below. And if we take a look, for example, some let me say some intra frames, like we had initial breakout and then the retest, and the slow line just made a big bull divergence there. So that was not spectacularly strong breakout and follow through. Although the trend is to the downside and short, mid, long-term trends are to the downside, and because of that, the chances to go to the downside are still stronger, and eventual revisit of 19,800 mark or area around 18,000 mark can be in the play. Again, I don't see any continuation pattern right now. We're just testing the middle Keltner line, the 2-day moving average. But if we can see that if the market can clear the lows and trade below 20,500 mark, we can open the door then for the lower reference points. Again, I don't see anything bullish here. It's just basically a bearish to neutral, but watch for the downside breakout of this small base. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.